with the ethereal mist coming off Cultus Lake. We're here at Cultus Lake Campground, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at this, my friend. This is our boat ramp launch here at Cultus Lake Campground. Oh, this is beautiful. See some ethereal mist coming off the lake. Today is October 21st, 2025. It's about 31 degrees. So this is the left side of the boat ramp launch. And down here, what I like to call a corrugated boat ramp launch. Very smart for the water runoff so it doesn't pool. You can see it's very smooth right into the water. This is frankly about as good as it gets as far as boat ramp launches go. And here is the right side of the boat ramp launch. Again, that corrugated boat ramp launch. Good for water runoff, and it goes right into the water. Look at that. Man, that is high quality. I gotta say, the infrastructure of the boat ramp launch here at Cultus Lake is top notch, world class. This is about as good as it gets. As we got some ethereal mist coming off the lake. That's an effect that happens particularly when it's below freezing like it is right now. It's 31 degrees. And the gate will close for Cascade Lakes Scenic Byway. This beautiful Wonderland zone will be inaccessible for the lion's share of the year. The next 2/3 to 3/4 of the year, you will not be able to come here and enjoy this beautiful alpine lake wonderland. I thought I'd get one more trip in before the close of the season. Have you ever seen such a crystal clear lake? I'm here at Cultus Lake Campground, boat ramp launch on the dock, and I'm walking out to the edge of glory here, the very edge of the dock, and I'm really enjoying this majestic beauty, the wonder known as Cultus Lake, world famous boating destination. And particularly this water, it's like crystal clear. It's like mountain glacial runoff water. You can see the bottom. You can see every nook, cranny, and crevice, the bottom of the lake. I mean, look at that. Like, you can see everything. This is as clear and mountain fresh and pure as it gets, my friend. I stop here, show you the greenness of this water. It's crystal clear. You can see at the bottom every nook, cranny, and crevice. You can see the entire lake's floor. It's pretty darn amazing. Here we're getting the sparkle of Cultus Lake. Sun hitting it just so. It's about 1:30 p.m. and it's perfect time to really just stop and come enjoy this lake. This campground closed 3 days ago, October 18th. Again, this is October 21st, 2025. It was 31 degrees when I got here, so very cold, but nevertheless quite worth it to come and see this world-class boating destination one last time before the close of the season. Look at that, my friend. Absolutely